anopa sia mu akwaba emra so area gudi mu nsam na ebro nsam na do so dey say fata seltida gamepackgames.com dey sia konkon ay dey by and Friday ye ko weekend mu sa na so nya crash obotom enti gamepackgames.com pick 1 and pick 4 games na mo dey aba number bi o ati bi say esi super pepe fact ediska I say bia e diska bia e discount ojeja ho. The most important code star 946 hash star 946 hash na we diska e dey go botomu na akọ Play Store na App Store bet ma download your app on na say fofo no kita wa bre bia uchi me de ho gem diska no pa no kron awia no ndumienu anwumre no sia na draw na baso te draws ne ensa and yeah, send be afaswadi sika eri agu botom game pa for kan one opena eri some na ba sejo mano chopa and party botwe me producers e makwaba kejo na kasa ne erika se edubodi e be sha se fi the English Premiership and na second bia so eden Liverpool be bogum sanse opeso san ko that table no so Liverpool do ya admoni ni tipa de ma Sheffield for jesha mo boko 3-1 and no mo ba the game and obi ani wo mo the Chelsea the Manchester United and the pim so Chelsea ba back e be winning 4-3 over Manchester United, Abrana United, Obi Akasi wa win yewi, then so buka mu a anya sam keto. Opiemo sa game anymore no, and of course the table that's why the Liverpool back on top 70 points. Liverpool abeti simo 70 points wa je dia boss wa anya sam keto akra and Arsenal tosubi 68, City tosubi ansa 67 sorry it's ever this weekend ebeko 70 68 67 and only the also in the English Premiership cash and so from a whole win set okay a few games to go by ngotwe mine really boy empire na dwa weekend is an official stebesiako na ye hu Crystal Palace and the Manchester City early kick off Jan why careful early kick off Crystal Palace Manchester City Aston Villa and the Brentford na boy Everton and Burnley Fulham and the Newcastle Luton Town and Bournemouth, Wolves and West Ham United, Brighton and Arsenal. Na fe kwasi da Manchester United and Liverpool. When you be ansan nanko bo bi a we lose ba go san Liverpool sen go bo. Oh United. Sheffield United and Chelsea na fe so Tottenham Hotspur ne Northern Forest. Now where EPL yanko pimo yen hwe de be koso wo the other leagues La Liga, the Italian Serie A. Na yehwese ne honsam esiete okopie mo Bundesliga ni mo so be bobo te be se ne Bundesliga so fixtures no ebesi aye na aye Eintracht Frankfurt and Werder Bremen and de be boni Eintracht Frankfurt Werder Bremen na Union Berlin and Bayer Leverkusen and so dia boni na Freiburg and Leipzig yehwe se Union Berlin na be the team a obe stop Leverkusen na Freiburg and Leipzig na de be boni na yahwe se Mainz 05 and Darmstadt and so abo ahwese na ebesiako na Cologne and the Bochum na Heidenheim atena fi ni Bayern Munich e dia boni e dia mfo mani abre so mo be hesa obetima survive ya Bayern Munich for so na no amfa no to mo se da binya ha no ani abra obekira bobre Dortmund and Stuttgart and so the be boni na Hoffenheim and Augsburg at the abo on the 7th Wolfsburg and Mönchengladbach and so at the be boni we match se be koso the German Bundesliga and of course Okupiemo Spanish La Liga anymore ya hold on so this weekend you have cup games back also na the following weekend ya the matches are kind of area to us so Okupiemo Italy so also aya kona pa one league in Italy AC Milan and Inter Milan they can kona the Inter Milan take you over dada watch mu okwa ba bi kura looks Inter Milan league no they see the matches one say na fixtures no so AC Salernitana, wamu jina mo nine show na wamu ne Sassuolo e dia bwani na face to AC Milan and then Lecce, Roma and Lazio, Empoli and Torino, Frosinone and Bologna, na Monza and Napoli abo Cagliari and Atlanta na Verona and Genoa and so at the abo and ni Juventus Fiorentina matcha obi ani be umpa and of course Udinese and Inter Milan. Eno aya de be koso e wo officials ni mo Italy ka channel so sa efa mame gamepackgames.com amoke ho na ere ensam no ate ebro wenra okopie mo e wo hazofoku for civil service auditorium awon kan hanmo na e has AGM jebo jenya bedu ye ensem bebre na koso AGM na se efa the stadium hazofoku besi and na official board for from the aba ensem bebre ni kufu ni a kire de bro Bernard Padi botwe edi ensem na chi
Stakeholders Erema House of Folk Bobokoro Enra Eje Impinfo Makumako and Kron Etumu Samo and as I say Omumbe new board members and Fama Bobokono and no annual general meeting at Todra our civil service auditorium one cry ha Bibia Equaso Asumdrim 9 Pinphobia no old board and also no stakeholders no Ejomutumu some new board in home Honorable Vincent Sowa Odotai Dr. Nyahota Maklo and after no Madam Ivy Hayward Mills. Bobokono any swadi hunu bako amodi atujane se bosumi me ebesimu o me flow to shares 2 million Ghana cedis sebeya etita fododo na ebetimi abetobi na dwumede nyina epa ne wie no House of Folk supporters okopie mu e dwumede na se no e de wonu musem etujwa.
Me, I have my this in first reservations. Instead of we getting a supporters leadership on the board and a rep from the old players association, none of them were there, but we have an old player there. So I think so far so good. We just have to accept what is there, and then we pray that they work for the betterment of us. Thank you.
I think it's in a good direction, but we need our own supporters to be on the board so that it will be easier for him to communicate with the supporters. Even that member being a board member, the supporter being a board member can also organize, like what we used to do previously when we're organizing national rallies. When there's a big match, maybe Hassan Kotoko or even that ginger the supporters together. It can make even the supporters to be attractive going to the stadium because they know so long as they've been to the rally, they will inform the other supporters that there's something going on. House of Folk are going to play a match and there will be a basis or something like this. So it is something good that one will continue to help us.
And a board chairman Thogbe after the 14th and so Eka say and not media course no Dianini Etin Hopa.
It's been incredibly good. I think some of the supporters came with anger that has no basis. A lot of them came with misinformation, but I think at the end of the day, they've come to understand the vision. They've come to understand what we've done so far, and they are excited. And you can see the way it ended. Every resolution was carried unanimously, including the appointment or the approval of the appointment of the new directors. Everything unanimously. It was very good. I'm very happy about it.
Sign so Eka say board no any swadi hunu bako say ombe float shares say be ankofo dodo na ebenye bi ato na Bobokono afane to mapa ifra
through a combination of new cash and debt conversion, because the whole idea is to raise money to pay debt. Okay, so conversion of debt into shares is also part of money raised, and I'm very sure we'll get the 200 million at minimum. Combination of
timelines.
Oh, by June ending.
This year.
But yeah, by June ending. We have to launch it we have to launch it during May to finish by somewhere in June. 200 million minimum, we'll get that one.
Hey. Wow. I'm saying, yanko enim na yanko pie won sem foforo mo na if you ask for sem be brand course was here the one sem be bro man ko metema kuma sasa ne koroko match day 24 omo ene Bechem United na dey airborne midfielder babaya ya say omo hwe ni mo say enema enko yi mfama team no on betia sikwam na mo timenya good results against Bechem United.
Metimi aka ne se nyame Adom a ebewi ni enya den do omo mu no yenya win wo honum but me ne boys no how I ebesi afa game no with all seriousness yen so betimi afa 3 points no this coming Saturday we no can be as soon as a bit me and for the fans and also the woman say Niama enkoye but yes Roma say omonfa love no any support na the my throughout first run na omonfa betaichi the woman say Niama enkoye but you be say 10
right bye bye. Usuna kana makoroko ne sabno ne hwede other fixtures this weekend as of Jinemu koroko ne bichim other fixtures no say na city okopie mu wo higher nations and na wie wo Great Olympics na board Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex 3 p.m. bichim ani asane koroko America kana for so Jabo Park na Accra Lions before Accra Sports Stadium at that china 3 p.m. na sa match na so as of Gold Stars kwasieda ewa Accra Sports Stadium asa samba aye Sports Stadium ohwese bibia betima koye nsu atema ne Brekum Chelsea ewa nana amwa Kransa Stadium and afisu Kerala and Heart of Lions nebo na Adriana and RTU at your boni Samatas league leaders omni mediema na Dreams and Legon Cities and so at the abo any sa match ne bitu ashada since the Dreams ebo Africa this weekend against Stade Malien later data and also about so sabre ya TSM Songo stake and share ne the man country man Songo ewo my ewo agokansi so na pa Songo stake Mr. Patrick Osajima ultimate kan na dia na o my Songo stake so
fantastic morning bibi abokode
nyame adom bibi e fan egu so tinkwam
ja alone a Christian onyankopon ko a na oye Christian it more fire and the Songo stake is simple it's a die na straightforward simple na nukura no adedi me on Songo stake nia assembly city no na me dia to e dia ya gudie mu nsem ya it's over FIFA ranking na we are football nyina Ghana eto so 68 and oba eye Africa ye die mu pa Africa Ghana if you African continent inti nia esumbu kese ma pa very prestigious at the my African Cup of Nations it is Africa nyina Asia African countries you dudu we nyina Asia top 10 countries a womuni mbo no Ghana nka ho sisi Ghana toso 14th do 9 14th do 9 na Ghana toso the whole Africa football the top 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 enya dia Ghana count eya na senye Songo stakes enye bad kete ferry any time say na football siko football economy scientific sika bem business boom utasi ena winning trophies to say developing the game so Ghana your national teams new ebe flourish your Blasters a bit to me ejina na so na Blasters ashte aje cup na local football so a bit jina na so that we can produce players near their camp foreign based players for me good on 2024 football from no sabi no say banana no say no but in see Ghana and kisa the business aspect see be chase cardi you be yes tawo football no ho you the Blasters you be chase cardi the taxpayers money you the outrageous budget you the sika you be pay sika kese with Blasters you the Blasters bobo friendly matches and I say you the bobo matches sika be ba ho you be nya biedi the business aspect na as a woman mu hwe game no Ghana e maye no o mo gbe no but say results ne be ba game ni be cost your football ni be koyi national teams ni be koyi local football be koyi your Blasters ni be koyi no what share no what get trophy what get cup the last time you get AFCON trophy more than 40 years more than we understand you better see you better get no money you know we are not doing it in the Africa continent no they say among your peers no omuko manim chen and a woman football and also woman football no a woman so ye no they say smaller countries in share Ghana sa almost share Blasters sa ye timi no omo ne gu ye nimas and na ama ye kikambo mu nyina no the whole Africa continent Ghana top 10 football country enya de account Ghana nka odinka yen toso baako yen toso mienu yen toso miensa yen toso 9 yen toso nu enka odie yen toso 9 anase 10 odie 9 anase 10 yen toso but 10 top countries the whole Africa Ghana ya gidin football 4 times African champions football administrators great ones are produced Benko Fimo the late mo football players are produced best players are made the Pelemo and the likes say Kofimo Reverend just say Ghana ya G FIFA World Cup da Ghana ya G under 20 World Cup da because FIFA World Cup for 17 ya G under 20 ya G Blasters and na mekan 4 times ya G AFCON African Cup so Diana about the last time a G African Cup 82 football akon ni mo be do 2024 how many centuries now what you say na football aye business na football aye scientific na football say aye need here trophies the trophies or say competing for trophies now we are among the best Ghana rather ye koyechi okay is this football say and say Africa football Africa football any Cameroon for pim so any Nigeria for pim so any Egypt for pim so top 10 Ghana top 10 nim so football people why I didn't hear Ghana why it tells you say your football perform the way I hear football no or see assistant near Timikuko nim near the trophy because the top 10 countries, football country, top 10 Africa, in countries, deal with football. Not the Ghana and Tosso, even 10th position, and I say 9th position, and 8th position. Not the top 10 countries, Ghana and Cambodia. Not football, na ye. We have to accept it. More accept it. Not Mumma or Musafata. The bread, no munyajuma. More appointment and more appointment. You just don't do appointments. Mummy manko 4 positions, any post, just because said they are friends and chronics. Animal farm ruling, any footballer now. No. Omo deserve it to make me manager Jumano. Omo deserve it to make me bobono. Omo deserve it to make my managers and also a more chance. No more to me at the football. Now your football, ye blasters, ye fuck coach, blasters, ye fuck coach, near fuck coaches are trainer scout, coaches, woman experience, coaches are woman need DPR. Sa, coach him, a better than a blasters, I say, at me, the best among the top guys to Africa. The top 10 to Africa, Ghana, Oka blasters in Ghana and Ghana, blasters in town, top 10 football countries in Africa. How? Because you have correct players. You have players based on merit. Players are almost set better. Utimse and you will be player and you'll be managing. Yes, I hear will be player.
More queens.
Oh, you good at and a boy. You have foul be a keke. Esa, and my your football quality and now your quality. Now the whole Africa, Ghana, top 10, Yankang football, 14th position here. That are very bad. Your football, I say, you football, I say, ye. And then we are 12 years. You ever start to ask as usual, fire for fire, the most popular television sport. Sure. No water can quench the fire. Into 12 p.m. Sorry, 1 p.m. And next shot life. Fire for fire. But to ask, send you a football. FIFA world ranking that's 68. Africa top 10 countries the woman ball Ghana and Cahono. Or say it me a fire ni yenya to power football. Did you have more fire?
Ciao. Ayoja. Countryman Songo sana washa siano pay no. We are to say be hotter. Nyasam ketu akra. Etika shane so sa afama na ye bani se ana gamepackgames.com on a baby on the Sia Concon about star 946 star 946 and no code as you say so the 2 to dream say code wa we nam so dia disika gamepackgames.com so your website no enough game pack games and also download the app no na o de discard ya go bottom pay way what do you like pay way which one you like yes and you make this ya konkwa no pay me de ya agudie mo nsam de bro Sergio Manocho Bernard Padibotwe me producers na no poye mo hwi ne enko Mimi Code Upscale Apparel CEO Mama Henewa fantastic morning and come on anacho aba me da nacho aba ba ho sanse o ya kama anacho aba me do be call Mimi Code why bia be Mama Henewa fantastic morning come on brebia on Adom TV eni agro kra ya na wakai e de nankasa kan kejua ne ho Erica see du body ne na efieda enti apomode on sambeto aso then of course Mr. Sandy be a guy and so the aka abro koso a na hebedwam